So you own the Pocket 3, or you're thinking about purchasing it, and you've heard about this DJI branded Black Mist filter. After 112 days of waiting, it is finally here. Hey, traveling on, back with another video. Thank you so much for making me a part of your day. Today I am so excited because in this unopened box, I think is the DJI Black Mist filter. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and then we're gonna go out there into the field and we are going to test out the Black Mist filter. We'll compare it with the Freewell Snow Mist Filter that some of you feel like has been a little bit too strong. So it'll be really fun. So without further ado, let's open this DJI Black Mist filter. Okay, so as you can see, I do have the top-down view, and we will open this bad boy up. Now, I'm assuming that this package is, in fact, the DJI branded Black Mist filter, and there we go. Parts and components, the DJI, let's see if you can see it here, the DJI Black Mist filter. This is really exciting. It's been a long wait, like I said, 112 days. It was interesting because some of the creators, when they originally came out with this, they were all boasting that, oh yeah, it comes with the Black Mist filter, not realizing that for the average person like ourselves, this was not readily available. So the cool thing is, as a DJI affiliate store here in Korea contacted me because they knew I had been wanting to get this for a long time. And here we go, folks. Here it is. The DJI Black Mist filter. Now, of course, we will compare it with the Freewell Snow Mist filter when we go out into the field. But that is really, really exciting. They're very similar in size. I bet you're going to be able to stack this with the Freewell ND filters. So yeah, here is the Black Mist filter. So let's take a look and see. This is the ND8 Freewell filter. It looks like, I believe this should, oh, there you go, folks. It is stackable. Here we've got the case. We do have the dedicated Black Mist filter spot. And there you go. We are going to now go out into the field and we are going to try the Black Mist filter. I'm so excited to finally get it. I'm really hoping that the results will look good. I will try to do both a daytime and nighttime comparison. Preferably, I'll try to combine it all together. But let's go out into the field and try it out. Currently have the DJI Black Mist filter along with the Freewell ND8. Okay, let's start this out. I will note that I am doing single focus mode for the point of view recording. Then we will flip it here and do the selfie mode in just a bit. This is with the Black Mist filter. All right, this is with the selfie mode on. It's not sprinkling too bad right now, so I will just do it this way. How's everything looking? I do have the single focus mode, but I do have the face tracking on right now. How is it looking with the Black Mist filter? Hopefully it looks good. All the exact same settings with the static settings, but this is with the Snow Mist filter. You probably won't be able to tell as much of a difference until we do the evening test, which I will include in this video. But this is the Snow Mist filter along with the ND8 during daytime. Let's flip it over. All right, this is face tracking. This is with the selfie mode on the Snow Mist filter. How is this looking? Now, what I'm also gonna do is I will also do the test without any filter at all. So let's check that out. All right, well, let me chime in here. It looks like the Black Mist is doing a bit of a better job in getting richer colors. But I do have to say that when I dialed in the settings for the Pocket 3 this afternoon, I did utilize the Black Mist rather than the Snow Mist. So that probably explains a little bit of the lighter picture that you're getting from the Snow Mist versus the Black Mist. But I think the Black Mist looks pretty good. I like it a lot. What do you all think about it? Now this is a test with just the ND8 filter, no Black Mist filter, no Snow Mist filter. It is sprinkling again. But how is this looking? Maybe I'm hoping that the Black Mist filter will be something that I can put on all the time, but this is just without any Snow Mist or Black Mist. Let's go to the selfie mode. And here is the selfie mode. This is, again, with just the ND8. Now I'm choosing ND8 only just because I want to get the perfect motion blur, get the perfect static settings. So, of course, you don't have to go with an ND8 if it's dark or if it's brighter. You'll have to bump it up with a higher ND filter. But this is without the Snow Mist or Black Mist. All right, let me chime in here once again. Regarding the 3, of course, the ND8 was used with the Black Mist filter and the Snow Mist. That way we could get perfect motion blur. I think this is really going to come down to a preference more than technically who wins. I would say it's really between the Black Mist filter and the ND8 regarding this picture. Of course, I could probably dial in and tweak the color grading a little bit better, but I think I do like the Black Mist filter the most. What do you all think about that? Okay, we're going to do our first test. I want to apologize to you all because I have totally forgotten to bring the DJI Mic 2, and it's cold and rainy outside. I just didn't feel like walking back. So the first test here is just without any of the filters, without the Snow Mist, without the Black Mist filter. This is manual settings, 4K 30, 1/60. How is this looking? Auto ISO 50 to 1600. Let's flip it to selfie mode. Okay, so we are now in selfie mode. It is kind of sprinkling on and off. It was not supposed to rain today, but hey, the show must go on like I stated. I am in D-Log M, so wondering how that's doing. Probably not as good as a normal color profile or face contrast, but this is without the filters. Now we'll do the next one. Okay, so now we are in 4K 30, 1/60, but we now have the Snow Mist filter, the Freewell one. How's this looking? Now, of course, the big complaint with the Freewell Snow Mist filter is the fact that it makes the lights kind of too bloomed, and it's a little bit too powerful. I think it's at 1/4 quarter strength. And here we go with selfie mode. I'm hoping that we're gonna save the best for last here. Hoping that the Black Mist filter really shines here, but we will find out. I'm looking forward to doing some just normal vlogs with the Black Mist filter. So that'll be pretty fun to see how it handles in all kinds of situations. Alright, that's the Snow Mist filter. Alright folks, here we go. The 4K 30 1/60 Black Mist filter. How is this doing? The skies are kind of cooperating right now. I don't even have to have my umbrella up. But how's the Black Mist filter doing? At least from the 2-inch screen, it looks like the lights are not blooming as much as the Freewell. But I guess we'll have to find that out in post. Let me switch it now to selfie mode. Okay, here we are in selfie mode. Anyways, hope y'all are doing well. It still feels like winter here in Korea. We kind of had a nice little respite, but it's getting cold again. So how is this looking? I feel like the Black Mist filter is really shining through, but we will find out at the end. Okay, well, let's chime in here again on the Black Mist versus the Snow Mist. So what do you all think? I have to say it's pretty close. Obviously it looks, I think the Black Mist definitely looks better during the daytime versus the Snow Mist, but I feel like the Black Mist still gets a little bit richer colors versus the Snow Mist. And even when you look at the skin tone, it looks a little bit more pleasing to the eye with the Black Mist versus the Snow Mist. Now, maybe it's the Snow Mist really is utilized for like snowing, snow sports. I don't know. But I do feel like the Black Mist does make the skin tones look a little bit better. What do you all think? Alright, here we go, the final showdown for the video between the Black Mist filter, the Snow Mist filter, and the No filter. I think, again, it probably really just goes down to the artistic desire of what you're trying to get out of your picture quality. Of course, you're going to get a sharper image with the No filter, but let's take a look and see once I flip it into selfie mode how it does with the face. Yeah, like here, yeah, I feel like it does look a bit softer on my face. There's definitely, I feel a little bit more sharpness, like an acute sharpness with the No filter. So maybe it's just me being biased here on the Black Mist, but I don't know. I feel like I do like the Black Mist a bit better. So anyways, yeah, I'm headed home right now, but I wanted to thank you all for checking out this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, please let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, if you are interested in any future videos, please check out this playlist or the best video that YouTube recommends. And in the meantime, stay safe. God bless. Peace.